In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Lastly, just follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!